tung tung sahur, tung 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 sahur. Hi, and welcome back to our English learning podcast. Today, we're starting with the very first 20 words from Unit 1. These are super important words. If you learn them well, you'll be able to understand and say so many things in English. Let's go through them one by one with meaning, examples, and a little story here and there. Let's begin. The first word that we're going to talk about is afraid. To be afraid means you feel scared or frightened by something or someone. Maybe when you see a big dog or when you hear a strange sound at night. Example, she's afraid of spiders. I remember when I was a kid, I was really afraid of the dark. Every little noise made me jump. The second word is agree. When you agree with someone, it means you have the same opinion. Example, we agree on this idea. Like when your friend says, let's eat pizza, and you say yes, you both agree. The next word is angry. Angry means feeling mad or upset. Example, he is angry about the noise. Imagine trying to sleep and someone is playing loud music. I'd be angry too. The next word is arrive. To arrive means to get to a place. Example, they arrive at 5 p.m. When the train arrives, we get on. Easy, right? The fifth word we're going to talk about is attack. To attack means to try to hurt someone or something. Example, the lion attacked the zebra. This word is often used in movies or games, like when the hero attacks the monster. Number 6, bottom. Bottom means the lowest part of something. Example, the toy is at the bottom of the box. So if you can't find your keys, maybe check the bottom of your bag. 7, clever. Clever means smart and quick to learn. Example, she's a clever student. Some people are clever with numbers, others with words. What are you clever at? Number 8, cruel. Cruel means not kind, mean, or simply hurting others. Example, that was a cruel joke. Being cruel is never cool. Always choose kindness. Number 9, finally. Finally means after a long time. Example, we finally finished the game. Like when you wait a whole week for the weekend and it finally comes. Best feeling. Number 10, hide. To hide means to go where no one can see you. Example, he hides behind the door. Think of hide and seek. It's fun, unless you hide too well and no one can find you. Number 11, hunt. To hunt means to chase and kill animals. Example, tigers hunt at night. In history, people hunted to survive. Now, it's more in stories or animal documentaries. Number 12 is lot. A lot means a large amount or number. Example, he has a lot of books. I bet you have a lot of photos on your phone, right? 13, middle. Middle means the center of something. Example, she stood in the middle of the room. If you draw a circle and then mark the center, that's the middle of it. 14, moment. A moment is a very short time. Example, wait a moment, please. Just a moment can change your life, like when you say yes to something new. 15. Pleased. To be pleased means to feel happy or satisfied. Example, I'm pleased with my grade. Learning English every day, you should be pleased with yourself. 16. Promise. To promise is to say you will do something. Example, I promise to help you. If someone promises something, they should really mean it. 17. Reply. To reply means to answer. Example, she didn't reply to my message. Have you ever texted someone and waited forever for a reply? Yeah, me too. 18. Safe. Safe means not in danger. Example, the baby is safe now. Feeling safe is one of the best feelings in the whole world. 19. Trick. A trick is something done to fool someone. Example, it was just a trick. Magic tricks are fun, but real life tricks, not always cool. 20. Well. Well means in a good way. Example, she sings well. Do you sleep well, eat well, study well? Keep it up. And that's a wrap for today's episode on EasyCast English. You've just learned 20 powerful words, one step closer to English confidence. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Thanks for being here with me. I'm Cherry, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep it easy.